If you need to improve sales and increase profits, you need SalesMinded. SalesMinded is a cloud-based software which helps you learn how to win more sales, apply the lessons learned to suit your business needs, and automate your business so you can focus on closing more sales. To start using SalesMinded, log into your account and click on the target icon. This opens a comprehensive 8-part sales training course which covers the entire sales lifecycle from leads to closing. Apply the lessons learned to suit your business by downloading the toolkit and following the step-by-step guide. Finally, use SalesMinded to automate all your sales processes. Generate costing and create quotations in minutes, and issue error-free invoices. SalesMinded automatically helps you monitor your sales performance in real time and get accurate forecasts of your sales, while getting better insights into your business. Get better sales and profits. Get SalesMinded. Sign up for free today.